Yes, come up and see it. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wow.
So beautiful. Oh my god.
Yeah. Hey guys, nah apa kabar teman-teman? Semoga kalian semua baik-baik aja dan happy selalu ya. Aku baik-baik aja dan bro dan juga teman-teman yang lain. Dan apa yang bikin aku happy teman-teman? Ayo. Iya, yang seperti teman-teman lihat di cover. Jadi hari ini tuh vlognya ngapain ya? Kita hari itu mau ngebotram teman-teman. Wih. Tapi agak beda loh ya sama yang terakhir aku bikin 3 tahun yang lalu itu kan aku ngebotramnya di atas meja. Nah, kali ini tuh kita bakal langsung ngelantai dan makan teman-teman. Ultimate experience ya being Indonesian gitu kan teman-teman. Nah, aku excited banget. Semoga teman-teman aku semangat dan to-do listnya banyak banget teman-teman karena banyak sekali yang mau dimasak ya, dan semoga nggak ada yang kelupaan gitu karena aduh ada 9 hal yang aku harus siapin. So teman-teman, buat teman-teman yang baru nonton vlog Be Nice, selamat datang, welcome to Be Nice family. Nah teman-teman bisa langsung subscribe supaya nggak ketinggalan untuk video-video yang barunya. Oke teman-teman, it's time to cook and yay, wish me luck.
Halo teman-teman Mbak Mawar di Indonesia, piye kabar rek? Ayo kita ngliwet. Nah, ini ya bumbu-bumbunya sudah Mbak Mawar siapkan. Bumbu sambelnya ini. Nah, ini bumbu nasi liwet plus pakai OTW. Pasti enak tenan. Nah, ini eggplant buat masak dan ini adalah tempe, nanti Mbak Mawar masaknya jadi 2. Pertama kita bikin sambal liwetnya ya teman-teman. Nah, ini standar banget Mbak Mawar pakai bawang merah, bawang putih, cabai, terus yang hijau itu sambal hijau karena nggak ketemu yang merahnya ya wes, pakai itu aja. Jadi nanti warnanya nggak terlalu merah yo. Nah pakai tomat ya, jadi Mbak Mawar tuh paling doyan nyambel pakai tomat, nggak tahu kenapa tapi kayaknya lebih enak aja gitu rasanya. Nah ini kita isian pakai ini ya, pakai minyak. Jadi blendernya pakai minyak, terus Mbak Mawar cemplungin ke mirin sedikit dan kita blender. Nah pertama Mbak Mawar bikin nyambel teman-teman karena biasanya itu ya kalau belakangan jadi nggak enak sambelnya karena udah nggak bisa fokus. Jadi kali ini Mbak Mawar benar-benar fokus bikin sambal supaya enak sambelnya ya. Pakaiin pastinya gula merah. Sekarang kita bikin nasi liwet teman-teman. Bawang putih ini pakai kena sama bawang merah ya. Karena Mbak Mawar juga masak nasinya banyak karena ini buat cuci lorot lupa pada 6 orang ya. Benar, 1 ya benar. Nah itu habis itu gampang ya, pokoknya semua bumbu yang teman-teman lihat itu sama bumbu cemplungnya semuanya kayak digoreng dulu ya sama ikan terinya, tapi nanti ikan terinya nggak ikut masuk. Nah itu kita masukkan ke dalam air rebusan beras. Wes, terus kita tambahkan santan. Ya kita aduk-aduk dikit ya biar kayak tercampur. Sudah selesai, pakai garam teman-teman jadi biar ada rasanya seperti debu walaupun itu rasanya asin. Jangan tersinggung, gitu aja tersinggung. Ya sekarang kita bikin ayam oven ketumbar. Jadi Mbak Mawar itu moto hidupnya sekarang kurangin yang digoreng-goreng. Jadi kalau mau kamu hatimu tak goreng sini tak goreng, karena sudah tidak ada rasa tak. Ya jadi aku tak ini aja, tak oven aja. Soalnya kasihan loh itu teman-teman yang ibu tuh semuanya pengennya tuh yang makanan sehat-sehat gitu. Jadi kan kalau kita goreng-goreng tuh terlalu gimana yo, jadi kayak kurang sehat ya. Jadi Mbak Mawar yang Mbak mau lakuin itu taruh minyak sedikit. Terus ini ayamnya tuh cuma kulitnya aja supaya crispy. Jadi Mbak Mawar goreng pas bentar. Nah kalau wes crispy ngono yo, ya wes kita tinggal dimasukkan ke oven. Mbak Mawar tuh dimasaknya sekitar 40 menit yo. Nah wes teman-teman sorry loh karena Mbak Mawar itu bener-bener gak ada waktu buat nge-record semuanya ya wes. Jadi langsung semuanya selesai seperti kayak tenaga surya yo. Nah voila. Jadi itu ya ada ikan goreng nila teman-teman, ayam, tempe goreng, terus juga lalapan, sambal, ikan teri, pokoknya nyus.
Wah, so guys, sudah selesai ya. Niasnya sekarang tinggal nunggu teman-teman pada naik dan kita akan lihat reaksi mereka. Aduh, aku capek banget nih sampai keringetan. Oke.
Hey guys. Sorry for the wait. Good to see you all.
See you.
I like the outfit, Pato. They're from Bali, right? Yeah, nice. All right, we're ready to head up. So we're doing things a bit different today. So we prepared some stuff upstairs, and yeah, I guess come up and see. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ding, 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 ding.
Hello. Oh, Pato, what do you have over there?
I'm from Bali.
Oh, look at that. Oh, how are you?
Hi. Oh my God.
Sorry making you wait, guys.
Hello.
How
are you?
Hello, you feel better?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Apa kabar?
Bye.
Oh my God. Apa kabar?
So, welcome guys. Today is a bit different.
Can I do it here? That looks nice. That's very wow.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, like picnic.
Yeah. So we
Beautiful.
welcome to Indonesia.
Oh my God. That's like the full experience. Ready to get the
Banana leaf?
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Terima kasih. Let me jump here.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's so nice.
Yeah, go wash your hands. Today is gonna eat with hands, and that's what we're gonna eat today. As you see, guys,
Wow.
food positive.
Wow. That's very
And Erika, don't worry. Everything for you is not with the garlic and
Thanks very much.
onion. Start
I'm
to
so
eat.
excited for this. It looks beautiful. It reminds me a lot to my trip, and it really, really like it smells delicious.
Oh, I'm happy.
And you know what?
In the middle. Yeah.
There's sambal.
Yes, of course. Of course, that is important. Sambal.
Boom.
Yum.
I feel like I'm in Bali.
Yeah.
Now.
You're in Indonesia. Look at that. It's like a sheaf of a banana leaf, right? Okay, welcome to Indonesia, guys.
Oh my God, that is gorgeous.
Yes, I know. So this is Indonesian love to eat together with the friends, being outside or like even indoor and just sit on the floor. I think we have the same habit with Japanese people. You guys love to sit on the floor, but I guess you always have table,
We have
right?
table,
Yes.
yeah.
We
So is
we
that the
do.
proper way? It's like having series before.
It's gonna be hard.
You know what? I've tried that, and I get tired like
Yeah,
lazy.
1 minute you can
God.
sit
It's like-
properly.
Yeah,
enough to
and
eat.
I know. And whenever you stand up, it's like you feel like
Shaking.
ants.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, so this is coming from Java Island, so the most populous island. So whatever part of Java they love doing this kind of meal, and we call it upon West Java they call it botram,
Okay.
or like from the rest of Java they call it ngeliwet.
Ngeliwet.
Yes, ngeliwet. Ngeliwet. It sounds so different. Ngeliwet. Yeah. So basically, like the rice is cooked with a lot of herbs, but I have for myself and Erika not, because I put chili and pepper and the rest a bit spicy. I was like, no, I don't want.
Yeah, this
to.
looks more white than
Yes.
the
It's a white
Yes,
stick.
Yeah,
and
very
then
plain.
all the protein, Erika, you can touch it because it's only salt, pepper, and that's it actually. And the chicken, and then no garlic and no others. And then for the eggplants, the one with the paste it's not spicy masa, so you can eat them as much as you want. For you, Erika, put apart. So if you see like with the paste, don't touch it because it's with the garlic and onion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, but they are the plain ones, right? Or what
This
is
one
it?
This
is
is the
normal
plain one, yeah. So the tempeh, the plain one is nothing on it. You can eat, but the one with the flour you cannot eat because there's onion, garlic in that.
Which one is spicy?
Here,
This
sambal.
one.
this is the spicy one. That you have to eat a lot. And for masa, this is this actually have in there. It is not spicy at all. So if you want a little bit juicy in your meal, so it's not dry, you can eat that.
Is there anything special that you guys do in Indonesia before you start eating? Like you pray, you say thank you.
Well,
like,
normally like we
you
are
start
quite
eating.
religious, but like when we pray, the Muslim have their own prayer. The Christian just gonna go quick, like they'll give like a minute silent for praying or something. And if you're done, and everyone says selamat makan.
Salam makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Yeah. Selamat.
Selamat
Makan. Yeah, selamat
Selamat
makan.
makan.
Okay, let's start to eat. So enjoy, guys. I hope you like it. Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Stop touching my food.
in my hands. I don't want
So
to.
what's the proper way to
They're really
grab?
good.
They're really good.
Oh, do
I
you know?
love them, but
Have you done eating with
Believe me.
I
hands?
think we did, but
Yeah, just like
you,
this.
you have to remind me. Like
Just
this.
like doing a duck hand.
And then you use
yeah,
this one,
exactly.
right?
And use this one to
Okay.
push it. You know, Masa? Duck hands. And then use this one to so like this,
Okay.
right? And then this one to push in your mouth.
is this something that you
Yeah, and then like
will eat in the regular
in the mouth,
basis?
and then you push it.
What?
Sorry?
Is this something that you will eat in the regular basis in Indonesia?
It's only on special occasion. You
So
know,
like
like if
a
you want to
Christmas?
celebrate someone's birthday,
Okay,
it's like, okay, let's do this. And then because it's kind of like a festive, you got tons of food to eat. Yeah. You don't do it regularly, just like, okay, let's do it. Well, some people maybe did it, but yeah.
beans.
Tempe.
Okay.
Soybeans. It's like tofu, but different style kind of way to prepare it.
What's this?
Can I have the sambal bit? That's tofu. Sorry, tempe. The same, but I tried it.
Same.
Yeah.
This is really good, guys.
It's amazing.
You like that one?
You said this is spicy, right?
I don't know anymore who ever tried what. I think Masa never tried that one before.
No, I think it's
Hati
first
hati.
time.
It's
Yeah,
It's
first
hot.
time.
Well,
Yeah, I'm just.
it's similar like natto.
Natto?
Natto.
Oh, it's hot.
This one is spicy or come?
Oh, anything. I was like, what's she eating?
And I apply my
explained
word. I apply my
everything.
word correctly this time. I say hati hati. It's hot.
Yeah, this is right.
But, oh yeah, hati.
You say it's like a natto?
Yeah.
How do you
sounds
say?
like a
How do you
natto.
say it's hot?
Pedas.
Pedas.
Like pedas in the sense spicy is
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you have different, right? For one spicy and one for the weather.
hot, yeah.
Yeah.
Panas.
Panas. Yeah.
Okay, Masa. I put it like this. You can eat it. It's no spicy at all.
Okay. Thank you.
It's just only tomato and onion.
I love the sambal.
Sambal is good. I still have a lot of it.
Yeah.
This eggplant is really nice.
Which one?
Eggplant.
You like the eggplant?
Yeah. I love it.
Eat the eggplant. This eggplant is really good. So don't worry, I still have a spare one if it's finished, and I'm gonna
The sambal?
bring
Yeah.
out. Yeah. It's just the boil was so full, so.
It's really good.
So yeah, Indonesian eat like this, and then they're chattering, and then they talk, and then like yeah, we just love to like eating together, especially with family and friends. And I think like when you eat together, it just give you more like spirit to eat. Oh baby, you okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So,
Of course.
How about the fish though, man? How? You need to,
Actually,
like,
when everyone have no problem, actually you just have take it with your hands. But if you guys feel
But
like
how?
just take it. Yeah, like him. Just grab it.
That's
Tilapia.
tilapia.
Yeah.
Tilapia?
Tilapia fish, yeah. I should try the eggplant. Masa said it's good.
and the fish is also without the garlic, right? I
No,
guess,
no,
or
no. Like
spicy.
all the protein Erika can eat. There's no garlic and onion.
But how do you usually
yeah,
eat fish? How do you usually eat fish?
We have like a lot of different way to eat our fish. We've tried it. Most of the time it's easiest way because we don't have oven in Indonesia. Not so many people. So
You don't have what? Sorry.
Oven.
Oven.
Oven, yeah. most of the time we fried it with grill, charcoal grill. We love grilled one, and we always eat with the spicy sauce. Yeah. Oh, this is good. I think my cooking skill is getting better.
It's really good.
It's spicy but tasty.
Come on, Maza. Maza.
I can put a little bit on the side and then just. maybe-
I'm just dipping a little bit.
It's just sitting there to
A little bit.
be tempting.
Should be fine, man.
More? I don't know.
Yeah, depends on you. I think it's fine. It's not too
I think
spicy.
it's fine.
It's not too spicy.
I didn't put much.
Should be okay.
It's not too spicy.
His reaction is.
Oh!
It's spicy.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy.
It
Oh
is.
god.
I'm making a wrap. That is
Oh,
nice.
nice.
That's
Oh,
fine.
I just put a little bit.
And it's spicy.
Is it chill? Oh, what's the spicy? Like
Oh, it's the chili.
Chili, yeah.
That's chili. This one has no chili. That's why you can eat it without being like spicy. This is nice.
It's so good. I love this.
It's just perfect.
I think the best thing when we go to the lake or like picnic somewhere, right? And then eating like this.
Everybody's gonna be.
Everybody gonna be like.
But
"Look at
you cannot
them."
do it in an off-leash dog beach.
No, not there. Yeah. The place.
Don't you see we're original Indonesian guys?
Did you buy it in Bali? Yeah, it looks like Balinese head.
Yeah, this is Bali.
And I have this.
And I have the other one from
Sambar?
From Java?
Java.
The one that you were on your photo, right? Yes.
Dafür braucht man
Because that photo was in
over there,
in Java. That was in Yogyakarta, and this one is from Ubud.
Yeah, it looks Balinese. You good,
A
man?
lot.
Wow. Hardcore. The
No
three of them.
way.
You're crazy.
I love these like sardines as well.
Oh,
They're really good taste.
Their side is already so good. They almost clean it.
Oh my god!
This whole section is gone.
Only the one who finished can go home.
I can keep eating all the time.
Like, is it usually you do it for, let's say, a group like this, maybe 4 or 5, 6 people? Or is there also, I mean, yeah, you can do it like even 10 meters for like 100 people if you want,
As
right?
much as you want, yeah.
Really?
You can,
What is
yes, you can have 30 people, like literally.
It's just going
It's just
longer
going,
and
go,
longer.
yeah. Either like that, or you have just like, 3 sides. Yeah, depends like on the room, of course. But yeah, you can keep going if you want.
What is the longest one
You haven't.
you have seen?
I don't know. Maybe I can imagine they have 100 people doing it together. Indonesia love to break
When you-
records, so.
Good.
16 is in the States. Really?
I'm trying to make
Oh, actually, what we do, we flip it. But then they got it together.
Let's
That's
flip it over.
interesting, yeah.
Maza.
Let's just flip it.
Can I have a napkin? Yeah, thank you.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, the fish is pretty good, eh? Because there's not
It
so
is
many
good.
bones inside the meat.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Do you have any manner? Like you cannot put the hands like this or whatever.
The only manner, in Indonesia, you don't eat with like that. In some culture, it's totally fine.
Yeah.
But in general,
I thought it's generally not acceptable.
my culture is fine. In my culture, if you eat like that, it's considered you enjoy the food. So
Yeah,
it's
like
okay.
I think Korea is good.
Like this,
too.
yeah, just
some-
learning
Yeah,
and stuff,
yeah.
yeah. But Japanese culture,
And in
it's
India, too.
Japanese is complicated. Like you cannot make a noise as long as you're not eating noodle.
Oh, okay, that's the only thing. You have
Yeah.
the only noodle you can
Eating noodle like that's the enjoyment.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise, you are not allowed to do that.
No.
Yeah, in Indonesia, like that, and eating with your right hands only. Especially if you eat with the
I'm
hand.
like,
It's a bad hand.
But even you're left-handed.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
good question. What is
Yeah,
your left hand?
normally it's like that. That's why my brother
Then
used
like get out.
my brother grew up left-handed, but now he can function with both hands because when he eats, he always forced to eat with the right hand, not with the left hand. So yeah, mainly left-handed people, they are normally like multi because when it's eating, then they have to really go back to like with the right hands, because left hands is considered as a bad hands, and normally we use it to clean. So that's why we.
It's
don't.
more like India, isn't it?
I don't know with India, but maybe.
Yeah.
What that they eat with?
The left hand is third hand.
Oh, yeah.
We need more sambal.
I think it's over there.
In Mexico, depends what family.
Yeah, but supposedly you are not allowed to
You cannot
put the
do it.
elbows on the table.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
One thing. Second thing is like you cannot like make noise. Yeah.
You cannot open your mouth when you are. You cannot talk when you are talking.
Having food in your mouth.
Yeah, but nowadays.
Oh, Erika liking the
Fish. Yeah.
Next time let's do the fish. Oh my god.
And the skin is the muscle-licious thing. When it's like fried. Yeah.
Come on, you can do the massage.
It's very
Cannot believe we
experience,
finished.
right, Masa?
Cannot believe we finished already one of the sambal.
How can you finish?
I
Crazy.
know.
Masa, I'm gonna put this over here.
gonna
Okay,
grab
for
it.
you.
I'm stealing Masa's because it's so spicy. And we pretend, wow, Masa finished it.
Yeah, I did it.
Masa, you enjoy your meal?
Oh, this.
My news.
My news.
My news. It's good.
Good. I'm happy you like it. Oh, look at you. You clean it.
Yeah.
You can
it's
go
very
home
good.
today.
Yeah, no spicy. Very good.
Yeah. Erika is crazy about the fish. Look at that.
It is good. But like I'm not eating too much of the hot sauce, but like just dipping a little bit.
Oh yeah. I even didn't expect you're gonna try it though. I was surprised when you
Yeah?
try it. Yeah.
I'm getting better.
Very good.
Yeah. Look at you. Very brave. Pato, yeah, he's enjoying it. Second batch now.
I love it. I love everything.
I'm happy.
And the sambal is really good.
I know. I think we finished one bowl already. The second one. So I have
Delicious.
that too.
As you can see, I almost cleaned my entire spot.
Oh yeah, I see it. You guys make me proud. Look at that. Almost clean.
How did you clean that so quick? Like my, it's still like a lot of food on my.
It requires a lot of dedication.
Okay. I wanna give a quick overview of like what happened here.
Yes. Look at that. We finished it.
There's just like a few bones and like
a few balls.
Few bones, that's it.
2 balls.
So-
2 bowls of that sambal. Oh my god. You know where it is? So good. Well, overall, it was very good. I love the taste. I went more over to the fish than the rest, but also the tempeh was delicious. The sambal was amazing. You know, I'm very fan of sambal. Everything. I'm just like, even like right now I'm full, but I really want to keep eating. It's just like the addiction of the, you know, these flavors are just addicted. So my review is overall for everything. I would say 10 out of 10. They were so good. I gave it 6 nights.
And how was the eating on the floor for you? You said you've done this before, right? But
Yeah. Well, yeah, of course, in Indonesia, and it was like so good. Don't you see? I'm a fully Indonesian guy. The only thing that I need to learn now is the language. Terima kasih.
okay,
Erika!
So also for you,
Oh my God,
I see like everything is finished.
Look at that. She dismantled the fish.
Everything is gone.
That's a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot.
How was it for you?
So it was amazing. My favorite was fish, of course.
Of course.
It was so amazing just mixing with the rice and like eating hands. This is my second time eating with my hands, but it's actually pretty good. Like I have a control when I put it in my mouth, and it's very nice. Oh yeah, also I tried a hot sauce. I didn't expect too much, but I actually ate all of them that I
the
had
one
a
you
little
took,
bit.
you finish it, yeah.
Yeah, like I didn't put too many, but like a little dip in before I put it in my mouth, like a rice and chickens and everything. So it was pretty tasty. But sometimes I needed a break, like it's getting too hot, so then I can take it as juice, and like it was amazing. And what was that yellow thing?
Oh, that's a tempeh.
Tempeh fry?
Yeah,
right, tempeh?
fried tempeh, yeah.
That was also my favorite. It was good. I wrapped with lettuce and just eating like a crunchiness and everything. It was perfect. From me is 10 out of 10.
Wow. Nice. Thanks, Erica.
Thank you for cooking
How
without
about
the garlic.
Yeah, how about the experience eating like this? Because
It
we're
was-
normally doing it at a table, right?
Right. It is. For me, like sitting on the ground is like very normal thing. Back in Japan, it's like an everyday thing, especially like a grandma's house. It's just
Yeah,
sitting
true.
on the floor.
True.
But we still have a usually table, so it's kind of new experience in eating like on the floor to the floor from the floor.
Yeah.
But it's nice. It's like a picnic and it's
Yes,
fancy, a little
exactly.
day dinner. So it was good.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you.
Hey, apa kabar? So yeah, it was perfect. I think. Yeah, that was really good. I love this, atmosphere. This, decoration. So yeah, I love it. It's very fresh. It's new. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I feel like in Indonesia. So, yeah. Yeah, so, and the food was really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I loved it.
Which one was your
And,
favorite?
Eggplant?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, eggplant was really nice. Yeah, also, yeah, we cook, eggplant meal, like Japanese thing. And, eggplant cooked very well. Yeah, I think that was really nice, and I think the sauce was really nice.
The
as
sauce,
well.
yeah. There's I made it extra for you because you said because I know you can't handle spicy. I know I want everyone enjoy the meal without forcing them to eat something that they don't like. So that's why I was I'm making special one for you so you can enjoy it too. So I'm happy that you like it.
Yeah.
There's the
I
chili
love it. Yeah, also the beans.
The tempeh.
Yeah, tempeh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, look at
Really
here.
nice.
Masaki's
And
face
you also
is pretty
tried
clean.
the spicy one?
Yeah, it was really spicy. I mean, like how you guys eat the sauce. You guys put
Just eating like
many,
that.
and I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, numb
Oh my
already.
God.
Yeah, we need to train Masa. Erica, I didn't expect Erica actually finish hers. Like, wow.
Yeah.
But yeah, you tried at least, so nice.
Yeah, that was so much fun. Terima kasih.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sama-sama.
Masa.
Yeah.
So what's the point?
Oh, yes.
Sapporo.
10,
Sapporo.
yay!
Awesome. Thanks, Masa.
Thank you, Masa.
Thank you.
Like, it was an amazing experience. I think this is actually...
This again, baby. Everyone's.
Oh, everyone's place is clean, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
I just noticed every time with rice, this guy is
It's like...
look at Erica,
so
like all the files nicely in.
I always show that I was here, right? This is my place, so... No, it was really good. Actually, this was, I think, my first time eating like this from the banana leaf. I
Yeah.
don't think we've ever done this before.
No, we never done that
So
before.
that was a really good experience for me. I totally enjoyed it. I love like eating on the floor and sitting here, but then like with the banana leaf, it just looked so nice. Having everything laid out. Like now everything is gone, but it looked really nice before.
Yeah, you was.
Yeah, I totally loved like that. There were so many different flavors and like things to eat. I think also the sambal was very good. It was like to the point, very spicy but not too spicy. And yeah, everything just very flavorful. I mixed it together with the lettuce as well. Gave it a really good balance. And yeah, just the overall experience, very good. How could I not give this 10 points? So it's also
Yeah, I agree with that.
Thanks.
Something that I've never had before is eating in the floor and with this display, so it really...
You can eat on the floor, but not in the floor.
Yeah, not on the floor. Yeah, good correction. Thank you. So yeah, this is the first time I eat on the floor like this. It was awesome. It was like the best experience. I guess this is how it is like eating in Indonesia. So this is the Indonesian experience. I hope to have the real experience if I get to have the chance to go to Indonesia.
Yay!
In the sense of the flavor, everything was amazing. The sauce, at least the one that we got for the team that can handle spiciness, it was just the right amount of spiciness because it wasn't like that hot, but it was hot. So I really like it, and as you can see, like we finished it.
Second batch, I think.
This is the second batch. So and also you can see that I cleaned my spot. So that tells you that I really like it. And yeah, it was good. I mixed the chicken with the tempeh and the eggplant. It was like a creamy, crunchy, and spicy and fresh with the cucumbers combination. I just loved it. I would say that this is 99.9%. So if you run that out, I would say that it's a 10. So it was awesome. Thank you.
This is how Indonesians do it.
Excuse me.
Church time.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, thank you so much. This is my question. With the whole thing like that, how much do you think that's gonna cost? Okay, let's do it in Indonesia because I think this is
Let's do
guessing about
Indonesia,
price.
yeah.
Okay, $25. Oh, because we have the fish and everything, that will be $45.
Erica,
I'd
what's your
say
guess?
$60.
$60?
So 6 people, 65.
Okay.
I would say a bit more. I would say maybe like $12 per person. Like maybe 72.
Okay.
I would say 69.
69? Okay.
Yours is 69.
No, 65.
65, okay.
So, teman-teman, aku nggak tahu ini kayak gini tuh harganya berapa. Jadi teman-teman di rumah bisa bantuin. Write di comments berapa kira-kira menurut kalian kalau melakukan ini di Indonesia. Karena jujur kita nggak tahu, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm gonna wait for your answer in the comments because I'm curious as well what's gonna be like, what the price from this whole things together. So see you on the next video, and take care, stay
Don't
healthy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and follow.
Share.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Go, Erica, go. Whoa, go all everything. Zip, zip, zip. Oh.
Sorry about the mess on my side.
Everyone's so clean.
Oh, we need to keep the ball butter.
I know.
I thought she was gonna put it in.
Wow, nice.
You fail.
Yeah, hold it like this, I think. And then I'll get the...
It's a big taco.
It's a big taco.
It's not real.
Wow, look at that, you're done.
I'll get the garbage.
Be careful.
Let's go. Okay, I think it's like
Dang,
organic, right?
dang, dang, dang.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Bang, bang. So I think
Just take a new garbage bag and put it
oh,
in.
you know what? The paper.
Paper, be quick, be quick.
Y más que todo lo digo que estamos empezando ahora porque
Oh,
Oh yeah, this is good.
yeah, I think it should be good. Let's dump it here. Alright.
Perfect.
I think, yeah, we fold it.